Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new portable display. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. It's an 18.5-inch display. Packaged very well. Got your user manual right here. Take a look at the actual display. Check that out. Comes with the cover on it already, which I do like. And then here's the actual display right here. Check that out. Super thin as well. Got your ports there. And some more. And you got a couple buttons here. Very nice. This is very cool. Set this aside. So you get two Type-C to Type-C cables and an HDMI cable, as well as the plug for it as well, and some more user manuals right here. So one of the other things I wanted to point out about the actual cover is it can also be your stand. So as you can see, this one is divided into these three sections, and this one only has these two. So this is the actual back side, which is where you're gonna wanna put your monitor, and it's magnetic as well. So it'll stick on there. So now you can literally just prop it up like that and it'll hold on to it. So check that out. Very, very cool. So now let's go ahead and actually hook it up and see how it looks. All right, so as you can see, I got it hooked up. I did end up using the micro HDMI to HDMI. I did have to use an adapter for mine as well for the Surface. But as you can see, it went ahead and looks really good on here. I do have it set to just mirror on there. So if you want to just show exactly what's on this screen to that screen, you can do so, but you can also make it a secondary screen. So all you really want to do is just go to display settings. And then instead of duplicate it, we want to extend it. And then keep changes. So we open this up. We can move this over here. And we can go to like your Google Sheets. And then we can come back over here. And we'll go ahead and open up a new window. We'll bring it back over here. And on this one, we could be playing, YouTube or anything like that. So that way you can be productive on one and maybe a little bit of fun on this one. Or you could also be, working on something else over here. So as you can see, the display looks really, really good. As you can tell, it was plug and play. I didn't have to download any drivers. I literally just plugged it into the laptop, hooked it up, and it powered on right away. You do need to have power for it as well. And at least in my case, if you have it through the Type-C, you should be able to get powered through the, MacBook or the other type of laptop. So I do love the size of the display. You could just make this your primary display if you have like a desktop, or if you just want to hook up a keyboard and just work off this, you could do that as well. So now I've got my Superbox connected to it so you can see what channels will look like on it. But I do want to say it is a full HD 1080p with an IPS panel, so you're getting wide view angles and sharp clarity from just any position. It's smooth, vibrant, and honestly perfect for gaming, streaming, or even as a second screen for productivity, as you saw. It does have a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is a big win for a portable monitor in this category. Whether you're running a fast-paced gameplay or just navigating menus or even watching TV like I am here, the motion feels very responsive. And let's not forget the sound. This actually has a built-in dual speaker. Are they booming? No, but they are good enough for casual use without needing extra gear. All right, and the last thing that I do want to show is it doesn't just have to be a laptop. As you can see, I could also hook it up to my iPad. It is a mini, so having it shown on display is even better. So like I said, just for example, we'll go back to YouTube just so you can kind of see it. And we'll pick one of these right here. We'll turn it this way just so you can see full screen.
I don't think I like your attitude right now, if I'm being perfectly honest. It feels like something that you
So as you can see, looks really, really good. So if you guys are looking for a new portable display, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.